Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. In today's video, I'll show you all how to post Instagram Reels automatically. That you can save hours of manual work every day and support you to increase interaction extremely strong for Instagram accounts. This is the main interface of MKT Insta software. The software will support you to manage unlimited accounts Instagram. You will choose the feature to post the Reels, and here first you will set up yourself as the video. You'll need to pre-add all the videos that you'll be posting in the same folder. Then you can select all the videos or select the videos you want to post. You will have an extra hashtag. You will enter this hashtag. Then this is each account file, each video content file you will deploy to run the software once. As below, you can either add the title or you can use the title of the video as the main title. Then after you've added it, you save it. Here you will set up yourself the configuration to post the video. One is whether the content is copied or not. Two is how many videos you can post per account. Next, you can choose to interact after you post. Like, comment. You can tag this channel, add a location, or share it on Facebook. In the final step, you will choose your Instagram account, and you press the Start button. These are the steps to help you set up and use the automatic reel posting feature on the software. If you are interested in the software, please contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp to below the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.